As you would know, almost all golf carts run on electric motors that are powered by multiple onboard batteries. And while your golf cart may have come with multiple batteries inside, these need to be replaced after multiple months of usage. Thus, to help you with the same, we are here with the best golf cart batteries, which have been selected as per these factors. Capacity voltage cycles. There are many products available to choose from best golf cart battery, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best golf cart battery from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chin's Golf Cart Battery. While Chin's is a bit on the premium side, its battery models can still be a great option for all those of you who are looking for high-performance batteries made for reliable usage. Chin's Golf Cart Battery is present in the second position in this listicle, as it is one of the best high-end options available out there. Starting with its battery capacity rating, you will be glad to know that it is a 100Ah battery for long driving range with your golf cart. And the best part about it is that it is able to offer such a high capacity, while having a standard voltage of 12 volts. Moving over to the reliability side of things, this golf cart battery supports more than 2000 cycles, which is quite good. And with Number 2. Mighty Max Golf Cart Battery. Mighty Max battery is another affordable option out there when it comes to buying batteries for vehicles like golf carts that require compact yet powerful batteries for optimum performance. This Mighty Max battery ML3512 golf cart battery is present in the third position in this article because it can be a great budget-friendly option for many. While it might not be the highest, its given battery capacity of 35Ah is still quite decent, especially for the given price tag. Coming to the compatibility of this golf cart battery, it happens to be a 12-volt battery, making it quite versatile. Because it uses a gel battery type design, it does not require any maintenance in the long run. Speaking of the long run, Mighty Max battery even features a 1-year warranty with the center level option, which is better than nothing. Pros. Great value for money golf cart battery. Decent battery capacity. Gel battery type with zero maintenance. Cons. Not the highest battery capacity. Number 3. Ampere Golf Cart Battery. Ampere Time primarily deals with batteries and related accessories, which you can guess by its name, because of which it also offers high-performance golf cart batteries. The Ampere Time Golf Cart Battery is one of the best options out there if you are looking for something reliable and ideal for long-term usage. Other than being quite reliable, it also features a battery capacity rating of 100Ah. And since it also features a standard voltage output of 12 volts, this battery can be used with any golf cart of your choice. But the best feature of this golf cart battery is that it is perfect for long-term usage, thanks to its 4000 charging cycles. When combined with its 10-year long warranty, you can expect this golf cart. Number 4. Universal Power Golf Cart Battery. Universal Power Group is a fairly well-known brand of power solutions and batteries that has been making high-quality products, including golf cart batteries. The Universal Power Group Golf Cart Battery is a fairly powerful option when it comes to getting golf cart batteries made for long-range usage. To be exact, you get a battery capacity of 100Ah with this Universal Power Group Golf Cart Battery. Just like most other golf cart batteries out there, this one also features a standard voltage output of 12 volts with it. Because it is an AM battery, you do not even have to worry about any spilling issues. As for the reliability of these golf cart batteries, Universal Power Group features a decent 1-year long warranty with it. Pros. Great battery capacity for the given price. AM battery type for spill protection. Standard battery voltage. Cons. Does not mention battery cycle info. Number 5. Windination Golf Cart Battery. Even though Windination is a fairly new brand when it comes to golf cart batteries, you can still consider it if you are looking for something with a decent value for money. Windination Golf Cart Battery is a great mid-range option for many that still offers decent performance numbers, resulting in a pretty decent value for money. For starters, you get a battery capacity of 100Ah with this golf cart battery, which is quite great. Being an AM battery made for golf carts, it has a 12-volt current output, perfect for compatibility. You also get a 1-year warranty with this golf cart battery, which is the same as most other budget and value for money options. Pros, quite high battery capacity. AM battery design for zero spills. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more